Hello, this is Marie White. So today I just want to share how I raised my credit score from 530 points to over 800 points, and I didn't pay any services through any credit repair services to help me. First of all, that does not work. I've tried it years ago. It's a waste of money, and this is something you can do on your own for free. So what I did was I contacted my creditors with whom I had bad debt. I let them know what was going on with me. And as a matter of fact, I let them know before my credit had gotten to the point where it was really bad and I had charge offs where I couldn't pay them by a certain time. So I kept in touch with them. And it's important to know that because you don't have to be afraid of the creditors because first of all, they can't arrest you. Having bad credit is not a crime. It's something that can happen to anyone. Over time, sometimes you're ill and you fall behind on your debts and you're not able to pay at that time. You may have been unemployed and you're not able to pay. And so you can still recuperate from that, recover from that time period. So what I did was I contacted them once I started having the ability to pay. Again, I told them what I could pay, and believe it or not, they do accept lower than what the minimum payment is at that time because they just want to take care of the debt. So what I did was I told them what I could pay, and they accepted that and allowed me to pay every month until I paid it off. So I saw my credit score raise from 530 points to over 700 points. In addition to that, I saw that there were discrepancies on my credit file. Someone had stolen my identity, and that lowered my score a lot. And so I was able to get that off my credit report just by contacting the police, letting them know that I had this file on my report that I did not authorize, and they came by and they gave me a report number, filled out all the information that I needed, and I went to the police station, got the report, contacted Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and I was able to put a fraud alert on my file and contact the company that opened the cell phone service in my name, and they removed that off of my credit. So it was a charge off that was on there. And it didn't take long for my credit report to update either. It was less than a month. And in addition to that, it's just very important to check your credit score, check your credit for free every year. Annualcreditreport.com allows us to view our credit report for free online. You can call all the three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Let them know that you want a credit file free. They can mail it to you in the mail. You can view this online. If you see anything on your credit report that doesn't look right, you can dispute it. You can let them know that this file does not belong to me. And by law, they have to take it off. Again, you do not have to contact any credit repair services because credit repair services cannot repair your credit. They cannot. If there's something on your report that's a legitimate file, they cannot remove it. So what they do is they'll collect your money, tell you that they're working on the file for you. They'll contact the companies, not the companies, they'll contact the credit bureaus. Credit bureau will take the item off for a month, but when it shows that it's a legitimate file, it's put right back on your credit file. And so it's not to your benefit at all. So I just wanted to share that with you. And I also had some very good tips that I learned about credit in general, just managing your credit, credit cards, loans, and how you can make that work for you. So it's not such a mystery that um, you're using your credit, but you don't really understand everything and how it works, and you can really make it work for you. So there's some things I'm going to share in the next video, and stay tuned. So the next video will show all the tips that I've learned.